Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning in to the video. So as you can see, we are in Dollar General. Hopefully you guys know what the Dollar General tags look like, but that is where we are. So I'm about to do a real quick 5 off of 25 all digital scenario. I'm in the body wash section because you guys remember we got that 5 off of 25, not the 5 off of 25, the 5 off of 2 for the Olay body wash. I want to see if I could put that to use along with a few other items. So this should be a pretty quick and simple scenario. Just want to see how things will work out. So the first thing I am going to grab is 2 of these Olay body washes, and I'm happy because they have my favorite scent and they are $5.50. And then I am going to use that 5 off of 2 digital coupon on these. So the next item I think I'm going to grab, y'all see what the stocks look like here. The next item I'm going to grab is one of the $3.95 Gain Detergents. So we actually have a $2 off one digital coupon on that. That should make it $1.95 after the coupon. So now I'm gonna grab some more Gain items. I promise y'all this is not a Gain scenario. I don't think I'm gonna have enough to use the 5 off of 25 Gain, but we have the $2 off 2, well I still have a $2 off 2 on the Gain dish soap. Now the one I'm going to use is the exclusive one that they sent us, not the other one that was only attaching to the blue and the pink. So I'm hoping the one that's exclusive, that coupon will attach to these green bottles of Gain. We're gonna cross our fingers. I did scan it on the DG Go app and it came up attaching to the coupon, so hopefully it does work. So I'm gonna use that $2 off 2. I'm gonna buy 3 of them at 3 for $5. I'm gonna use the $2 off 2, and then I also have a 50-cent off 1, hoping all 3 of those digital coupons come off. The very last item I am going to grab is one of these big Downies. So the size on this is 90 loads, 77 ounces. So these are $6.95. We have a $3 off digital coupon on this. Okay, so now let's do a cart review. This is everything I'm going to get in my digital transaction. So I have 2 of the Olay body wash. I'm going to use the $5 off 2 digital coupon on those. Those are $5.50 each. I have 3 of the Gain dish soaps. Let me see what size these bottles are. So these are the 24 ounce, but they're the bonus bottles. They're regularly 21.6 ounces. I am going to use the $2 off of 2 plus the 50-cent off 1. I have one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents. I am going to use the $2 off digital coupon on that. It is $3.95. And then I have the Downy, the big bottle of Downy. I am going to use the $3 off digital coupon on that. So that is my entire transaction. Let's go check out. Okay guys, so I just checked out and that actually worked out perfectly. All of my digital coupons did come off, so let me show you my receipt. So there is the Olay body washes, the Gain dish soap, and the Gain liquid laundry detergent, and the big bottle of Downy. My subtotal came out to $9.40, you guys. $9.40. After taxes, I paid $10.93, and as you can see, I had a total savings of $17.50. I will take $9.40 all day for this transaction because that Olay alone is $11. So it's like, yeah, this is what we call winning. So I think I'm actually going to go back to Family Dollar because I want to grab some paper products today as well. So I'm going to head over to Family Dollar now and see if I can do another 5 off of 25 transaction there as well. Alrighty, you guys, so now we're in Family Dollar store switch. So I came back here because I saw on Instagram yesterday that this scent of Gain Flings, so it's the Blissful Breeze, these were attaching to the $3 digital coupon. So I'm gonna grab some of these as the first item in my transaction, and I am going to load that $3 digital coupon to my account. These are $4.50. going to grab is some of the Tide Pods again. I am going to reach up here and grab some of the 16 count bags because of course we want more value for our money. I am going to use the $3 off digital coupon on these. The next item on my list is these 180 count Bounce dryer sheets. These are the huge boxes, you guys. These will last forever. So these are on sale this week for $6.95. I am going to use the $3 digital coupon that we used yesterday, I think, on the Unstoppables. Today we're going to use it on the Bounce. And now the very last item is what I really need the most, and that is tissue paper. So I'm going to get 2 packs of the Scott tissue paper. They are $5 each, and we have a $2 off 2 digital coupon. So now let's do a quick cart review. So I have 2 of the 12 pack of Scott tissue. I am going to use my $2 off 2 digital coupon. I have 1 of the 180 count Bounce dryer sheets. I am going to use my $3 off 1 digital coupon. I have 1 of the Tide Pods. I am going to use the $3 off digital coupon. And then I have 1 of the Blissful Breeze. Remember to pick up only the Blissful Breeze Gain Flings, and I am going to use the $3 off digital coupon on that. I think my total before my coupons comes off is $26.40 or something similar to that, and then let's see what everything is after the coupons. Alrighty, you guys, so that came out perfect as well. We've been having a good Saturday with these digitals. So there is the 2 Scott tissue paper, the Tide Pods, the Gain Flings, that $3 did attach, and then the big box of Bounce dryer sheets. As you can see, the subtotal was $10.40. After taxes, what did I pay? $11.90. And then I had a total savings of $16. So yeah, $10.40 plus tax, and we got our paper products on. I mean, the 2 packs of Scott are $10 alone, so it's like we got those items for free, and those are some good items. So let me know if you have any questions about these deals. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful Saturday getting these deals, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.